Hello everyone. In this section, we will talk about what is artificial intelligence. In recent years, artificial intelligence has aroused extensive attention because of a Go game. In March 2016, AlphaGo, an AI Go program created by Google's DeepMind project, beat legendary Go player Lee Sedol, the winner of 18 world titles, who is widely considered the greatest player of the past decade. That was a major milestone in the field of artificial intelligence. And the next year, AlphaGo won its 3-game match against Chinese Grandmaster Ke Jie, the world's top Go player, and was awarded Professional Night Dan by Chinese Go Association. After that game, Ke Jie said that he thought his understanding of not only the Go game, but life had changed. AlphaGo is the first computer program to defeat a professional human Go player, the first to defeat a Go world champion, and is arguably the strongest Go player in history. We all know that Go is the most complex board game. Let's compare it with checkers and chess. In August 1994, Professor Jonathan of Canada led a team to write a checkers program. It defeated the best human checkers player. The game of checkers has 10 to the power of 20 possible outcomes. Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer developed by IBM, became the first computer system to defeat a reigning world champion, Kasparov. And the game of chess has 10 to the power of 40 possible outcomes. What is the number of possible outcomes of a Go game? Let's calculate it. The board of Go has 19 columns and 19 rows. On each intersection, we can put a black piece, a white piece, or nothing. Each intersection has 3 states. 19 multiplied 19 makes 361. So a game of Go has 3 to the power of 361 possible outcomes. Considering that not all possible positions are legal, the number of legal positions on a standard-sized Go board is approximately 10 to the power of 170. How big is the number? The number of all atoms of the observable universe is estimated to be only 10 to the power of 80. Even if all computers around the world have been running for 1 million years, it is impossible to exhaust all legal positions. Obviously, AlphaGo won't do that. DeepMind set up 3 networks for AlphaGo. The first is Policy Network. Train it with tens of thousands of high-level Go games to imitate the movies of human players. The second is Value Network. It can evaluate current situation and calculate the winning probability. The third is Advanced Tree Search. It is used to analyze various possible changes and infer the future evolution of the game. Before place a piece, Policy Network scans the pieces on the board and selects feasible intersections firstly. Then construct a dendrogram according to the possible changes of each feasible point. Then use the value network to analyze the probability of winning with each move. AlphaGo's principle is to maximize the winning rate, but it doesn't matter how much it wins. The success of AlphaGo indicates a breakthrough of artificial intelligence. Then let's talk about what is artificial intelligence. Let's see the definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, referred to as AI, means different things to different people. AI can be entities such as robots, self-driving cars, or just computer software systems such as translation software, AlphaGo, Siri. Some believe that AI is synonymous with any form of intelligence achieved by non-living systems. They maintain that it is not important if this intelligent behavior is not arrived at via the same mechanisms on which humans rely. For others, AI systems must be able to mimic human intelligence. While no one would argue with the premise that to study AI or to implement AI systems, it is helpful if we first understand how humans accomplish intelligent behavior. That is, we must understand activities that are deemed intelligent in an intellectual, scientific, psychological, and technical sense. It is difficult to define artificial intelligence. We give a definition here. That is, artificial intelligence is the ability of a digital computer, a computer-controlled robot, to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. Computer programs are essential to artificial intelligence. AI programming focuses on 3 cognitive skills: learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Learning process. This aspect of AI programming focuses on acquiring data and creating rules for how to turn the data into actionable information. The rules, which are called algorithms, provide computing devices with step-by-step instructions for how to complete a specific task. Reasoning processes. This aspect of AI programming focuses on choosing the right algorithm to reach a desired outcome. Self-correction processes. This aspect of AI programming is designed to continually fine-tune algorithms and ensure they provide the most accurate results possible. Next, let's see the types of artificial intelligence. In order to differentiate between the degree to which AI applications can conduct tasks, they are generally categorized as narrow artificial intelligence, general artificial intelligence, and super artificial intelligence. Narrow artificial intelligence is artificial intelligence that is focused on one narrow task. Narrow AI is the most prevalent kind of AI today, such as chess-playing algorithms, digital smartphone assistants, self-driving cars, etc. This kind of artificial intelligence systems are explicitly created for a single task. Owing to this narrow approach and the inability to perform tasks other than the ones that are specified to them, they are also called as weak AI. Today, narrow AI is also used in various internet applications that we use on a daily basis, such as recommendation systems, spam filtering, escort systems. General artificial intelligence. General artificial intelligence is the intelligence of a machine that could successfully perform any intellectual tasks that a human being can. While narrow AI refers to where artificial intelligence has reached today, general AI refers to where it will be in the future. General AI is the movie image of AI. That's the Terminator. That's the R2-D2. That's the Transformer. That's the robots that are going to take over the world. Also known as strong AI, general AI is a type of AI that can think and function just as humans do. That's all imaginary. While narrow AI is created as a means to execute a specific task, general AI can be broad and adaptable. The learning part of an adaptive general intelligence also has to be unsupervised, as opposed to the supervised and labeled learning that narrow AI is put through today. Super-artificial intelligence is a hypothetical agent that possesses intelligence far surpassing that of the brightest and most gifted human minds. This is one of the most far-off theories of artificial intelligence, but is generally considered to be the eventual endgame of creating an AI. While super-artificial intelligence is still a theory at this point in time, a lot of scenarios involving it have already been envisioned. A common consensus among those in the field is that super AI will come from the exponential growth of AI algorithms, also known as intelligence explosion. Hawking and Elon Musk have been talking about the threat of artificial intelligence. Maybe they are worried about the arrival of this moment. When super artificial intelligence appears, what is the fate of we human beings? Who knows? Well, this is the end of this section. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next period.